better in this bit.
Videos, and I saw what you said to do, and it was layering and stuff.
You could go all the way down. Just keep him on an inside rein off your inside leg. Especially when he goes to the right. See, pick him up right there and push him off your inside leg. There you go. Don't let him push his rib cage on your leg. And just let him stay in the bridle like that for a little bit till you get his body straightened out. Get your inside leg on him. He's supposed to be on the rail.
When you say when you're riding on the rail, keep them on an inside rein.
Yeah. Keep him on an inside rein.
No, I know. My question is, I assume that
You're riding too much off your outside rein.
I'm sorry?
You're riding too much off your outside rein.
Okay.
Ride off your inside rein. Keep your outside hand still.
Yep.
And keep them on an inside rein. So you have more pressure on your inside rein than your outside rein.
So with the nose and tip to the inside, that's okay?
Know what?
The nose and tip to the inside a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay.
That means being on your inside rein. Because he pushes his rib cage off onto your inside leg as he tries to get inverted with his head. Every time he's on the rail, he tries to get inverted, especially going to the right. Stop moving your hands around, because every time he loses it, you start adjusting, and then he's gone. You got to set your reins and leave him alone. You got to stop moving your hands that much. Pull your rein back, put your leg on, make a move off, put your hand down. That's it. Doesn't matter if your reins are this long or this long. You want him to get on a longer rein, but right now you're trying to tell him where to be with his body. So you want more of a connection with your inside rein.
Okay.
You got his head set to the inside, and he keeps trying to push his rib cage. Use your leg, not your hand.
Okay.
He's got to stay on that rein. Leg. Push him with your leg. Get him over. That's half his problem, the tripping bullshit, is that right there. That's how it starts. See how he's starting to get softer in the bridle?
Yeah.
Horse can't get soft in the bridle if your hands are moving all over the place. He's got to have steady hands for him to set the bridle and stay there. If you're moving your hands all the time, every time you move your hands, he's got to readjust his whole body. That's what people don't get with their busy hands. Every time you get busy with your hand, the horse has to readjust. Leg. There you go. Now watch him when he comes up this other rail, because when he starts getting by that rope right before B, he tries pushing his rib cage out on your inside leg. And then he's not on the rail anymore. Look straight ahead and feel his rib cage on your inside leg. There you go. Again. That's it. Can't let him step out into that rein. That's what your leg's there for. He's got to learn to stay between your reins and your legs. Period. No matter what he's doing. Circle, trotting, loping, jogging, cantering, galloping, going across on the diagonal, rein change, all of it. He's got to stay on a rein. You do rein change, you go through the middle of the rein, and you switch reins. You switch reins, you switch your shoulder, you switch your leg. Then you track the other way. Which that's what you're going to be working on today. Using your legs. You're lazy with her legs. She wants to ride off all her hands. Now after it gets by that sticky part where he wants to bulge his rib cage inside, see if he does it again. If he does, do the same correction. Then when you feel that shoulder come across and his rib cage get off your inside leg, cluck, and then he should jog. Right there. Sit. And now let him stay just like that. He's not ready to come off the bridle yet. Eventually, through the ride, when you work these reins left and right, right leg, left leg, getting him to change his body position, and you loosen him up on both sides, then you're ready to drop your reins and let him track like a pleasure horse. Right now, he's got to stay in the bridle. Because you're not ready to ride with big old drapey rein, fixing him way up here when he loses his rib cage. You want to be connected to him, especially when you start off. So things don't get away from you. Things get away from you, then you get confused, and then you don't know what to do. Then you're lost. I know exactly what's going on. I don't have to be here. See how those reins just hang?
Yeah.
No, none of this twisting.
Mm.
Wait till he gets past that B spot. Make sure his rib cage is where it needs to be. And then post.
Okay.
Now add leg. Keep him off the inside rein. Don't move your hand, use your leg. See, you fucked up over there and he tripped out behind. Just feel it. You've got to keep his body position. That's your goal. Keep his body position. Not his speed, his body position. You position his body, his speed will come to where you want it. You can't fix two things at the same time. You're not that knowledgeable yet. Fix the most important thing. That's his rib cage. There you go. You don't stay still when you're riding. Remember, he's going to keep adjusting. Adjust, 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 adjust. And that's why he got heavy. Because everybody was riding him off their hands and not their legs. That's why he wouldn't move his shoulder. He wouldn't get off your leg.
Mm.
Inside leg. Good. Now just do a circle, go to B, and go across, and right by me again, and then straight. Hit B. You want to hit B. So go down the rail, down the rail, down the rail, and hit B. That's not B.
That's B.
No, it's not. You're nowhere near B.
It said B.
You're nowhere near B. If you want to sit there and argue with me, go ahead. You're nowhere near B.
Well, I don't understand.
You got to head towards B with his face. His face is 20 feet to the left of B. Straight, straight, straight. There you go. See how he wants to drop that shoulder?
Yep.
Well, that's why you're going to B and going straight. Now do it again. Till he goes straight with his head to the inside. Now you'll feel his rib cage drop. Feel that? Kick him off your leg. Squeeze till he gets off. There. That's it.
I should be turning him off my outside rein, right, and leg, to make him go straight.
You're worried about the wrong shit. Why do you do that?
Because I'm trying
Worry about where he's wrong, not where he's right. He's wrong inside, so you gotta fix that. Stop worrying about outside. You got problems to fix inside. You're not even there yet. Straight, between your legs. You feel them dip in, squeeze with your inside leg and get them off of it. You worry about all the wrong shit. You and Sharon. Get them off your leg. That's it. Think. You want to feel shit? Stop thinking about the other crap and start thinking about what you're feeling that's not right. That in the middle ain't right. When he lifts his head and pushes his ribcage out, that ain't right. So you've got to bring your inside shoulder back and squeeze that friggin' spur in him till he gets his ribcage off your leg. Squeeze him. That's it. Now make him move off. Put it on his belly. There. That's moving off. Feel that? Now go straight. Now he knows. Her leg's there. Now he feels your leg. Now ride through there the next time and don't do that. Just ride a straight line. Let your reins out. That's it. Now inside leg again. There. That's how it's supposed to feel. Now do you see the difference?
Yeah.
He can't go across the ring dropping. That's why you're in that bridle. I gave you that bridle to help your hands. Now you've got to use your legs. Your hands shouldn't even be part of the equation anymore. You've got to feel them with your legs. That's it. You get rid of the resistance in the horse one way, meaning one rein, one leg. Then you go the other way and get rid of the resistance on that side with one rein and one leg. And then when you get rid of all the resistance, then you can start thinking about going across the middle off your outside rein.